For project 7-3, we're going to use the A datum appearance worksheet. So click on that. Should look like this. First thing we're going to do is change the background of it. And we're going to put a little watermark in the background. Actually, the very first thing you need to do is go back to Canvas and download the appearance, what's the name of it? Confidential.png. So in Canvas, there is, besides the Lesson 7 assignments Excel workbook that we downloaded, you need to download the image. It's called confidential.png. So go there, click on it in Canvas, the Excel 7 assignment, and save it to your documents somewhere. Okay. After you do that, so pause this video if you need to do that. And then after you do that, you have it saved somewhere, we're going to go get it. So page layout, click on the page layout tab, and in the page setup section, this background button. We're going to change the background with that image that you downloaded. So click background, click browse, and then you can go find it wherever you saved it to in your documents. It's right here, 07 confidential. It's a PNG, it's an image. So click on it and insert, and then it shows up in the background because that's what we chose it as, the background. So it's kind of a watermark. It says confidential on every page. It duplicates a lot because these are all, if we printed, these would all be separate pages. Okay, so that's the first thing. The next thing is, let's learn how to get rid of the grid lines. So if we wanted to work on this worksheet without these grid lines all over the place, maybe they're distracting, maybe we want to print it without grid lines, go to the View tab anytime we change the look of the actual worksheet. Click on View, and then under the Show section, grid lines, we can uncheck it, and then it's nice and clean without any grid lines. Let's check it back just to have the grid lines now that we know how to do it. The next thing, let's go to the Page Layout tab, back to the Page Layout, and the dialog box launcher of Page Setup. So click right here to get the Page Setup dialog box, and click on Margins. So we're going to fix the margins a little bit. I already have it. So the margin is always top left by default. All of our information, our table of information, is going to be top left. So let's center it on the page horizontally, which is over the middle horizontally, and then also vertically. It's going to stick our table of data right in the middle of the page. And then click Print Preview. It shows it what it's going to look like. So now it's right in the middle of the page. Looks nice. Let's go back. If we wanted to print, we would print from there, but we're not going to. Go back. Okay, so that is how we make a few changes for the appearance of the document and how we would print it right in the middle. Looking at the print preview, we saw that. And that's all for this one.